Okay guys, as you can see, I'm getting ready to get into the look for tonight's segment of Tuesdays to beat or not to beat. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the look for tonight. As you know, can't waste this skin. I'm going to brush these edges. Don't worry, I'm going to brush the edges and slick them back. They're going to be laid down or hidden. They're not going to be all popcorny and out and just messing up the kitchen like that. They're not going to be like that. Hey guys, this is the finished look. Don't mind me, I'm trying to figure out why this spot right here doesn't want to blend. I must have rubbed it off with my hands or something. I don't know. But this is the finished look. Let me know in the comment section how you liked it, what I could do better, what I need to improve on. You know, I take criticism, like going for the jugular. Like, if you're trying to help me, help me. But if you're trying to put me down, don't say nothing at all. I'm that type of person, because I'm that type of bitch that'll come back and we'll go back and forth, and we don't need to waste energy on that. With that said, guys, thank you for watching tonight. I hope you liked the look. I threw my hair up in a little nasty top knot. You know how you do that up there. Threw on this shirt here because the other shirt, it really wasn't working with it. You know, that's the work shirt. You know, when you get dirty, you gotta have your play clothes on. That's what that was. Okay, guys. Of that, I'm going to say goodnight. Like, share, comment. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you have the notifications on so you know when to come back when I upload my next video. I'm trying to get the Throwback Thursday video uploaded. I really am. It's just a very long video. Back then, I did not know it took me 5 hours to do a makeup look. I didn't know that with progression, I've gotten quicker. It might take me 2 hours now, but it's better than taking 5 hours back then. So guys, I'm trying to get that to you, and make sure you have your notifications on so you know when that is uploaded. I don't know what happened here. I know I'm going to lay down them edges for you guys, but I didn't know that when I lay them down, they're going to take my face off. Freaking mad. I don't know what happened there. So if y'all looking at my pictures, y'all see this spot right here. You just remember, I went over it. See, I don't know if it's the grease from the hair gel I use, like the jam or what, but it took my makeup off. Yeah, it's got to be the jam. Also, when y'all do y'all edges and you lay them down, because I know you do, I don't care how fine your hair is, you still do them baby hairs. What product do you use that does not take off your makeup? Because that's the only stuff I use around my edges. And look at this. Okay, I'm going, guys. Love you.